I'm going to be speaking to the people of the books about the grand design by Stephen Hawkins. So I'm going to talk to the books about it and see how the books answer me. I got the glorious Quran right there, the Tibetan Book of the Living of the Dead right there. I have Wisdom of Native Americans right there. I have Holy Bible right there. You know, has all the Jewish teachings in there and all the Christian teachings put together. And I have Finding Bellarmine, which is my sacred book. I wrote it right there. And we'll try to get an answer from these guys about the grand design and how they feel about it. So anyway, I guess I'll start with what the book's about, you know. Alright, books, peoples of the book. Now I'm going to use this book to teach you something. Maybe you'll learn about where we're at and how we should be thinking. So I gotta ask you, when and how did the universe begin? Why are we here? Why is there something rather than nothing? What is the nature of reality? Why are the laws of nature so finely tuned as to allow for the existence of beings like ourselves? And finally, is the apparent grand design of our universe evidence of a benevolent creator who set things in motion? Or does science offer another explanation? The most fundamental questions about the origin of the universe and of life itself, once the province of philosophy, now occupy the territory where scientists, philosophers, and theologians meet, if only to disagree. In their new book, Stephen Hawking and Leonard Mlodinow present the most recent scientific thinking about the mysteries of the universe in non-technical language marked by both brilliance and simplicity. In the grand design, they explain that according to quantum theory, the cosmos does not have just a single existence or history, but rather that every possible history of the universe exists simultaneously. When applied to the universe as a whole, this idea calls into question the very notion of cause and effect. But the top-down approach to cosmology that Hawking and Mlodinow describe would say that the fact that the past takes no definite form means that we create history by observing it, rather than that history creates us. The authors further explain that we ourselves are the product of quantum fluctuations in the very early universe, and show how quantum theory predicts the multi-universe. The idea is that ours is just one of many universes that appeared spontaneously out of nothing, each with different laws of nature. Along the way, Hawking and Mlodinow questioned the conventional concept of reality, posing a model-dependent theory of reality as the best we can hope to find. And they conclude with a riveting assessment of M-theory, an explanation of the laws governing us and our universe that is currently the only viable candidate for a complete theory of everything. If confirmed, they write, it will be the unified theory that Einstein was looking for. and the ultimate triumph of human reason. Okay? And then we are going to get started on chapter number 1. Now, I can't read this book out fully or I'll be going against copyright, I think. So, I ask that you get your own book. We'll be studying this book, The Grand Design. Maybe you'll all be able to learn something and really start accepting each other for who you are, a human being, making your own world by how you think and believe and behave. So we're going to go into the first chapter is going to be next. And now I'll just be trying to explain it to people because I can't read it word for word. But it's going to be called The Mystery of Being. The Mystery of Being. Maybe in all you books we'll be able to find a little something, a little truth about what I think. So, I hope y'all can answer it. The Mystery of Being. Chapter 1. Get your books. Now, if you want to study along with me, peoples of the book, you can get Finding Bellarmine at lulu.com. You could get the Holy Bible from the ancient Eastern text, probably from, some bookstore or over the internet, but this is the one I'm using. I'm using The Meaning of the Glorious Quran, translated by Muhammad Marmaduke Pickett Hall, and the Tibetan Book of Living and Dying by Segal Rinpoche, and The Wisdom of Native Americans, edited by Kent Nairburn. So those are the books I'll be using to study the Grand Design. Hope you all stay with me. This is part of the People of the Books series. So this is the book we're going to really go over and see what they say, because this is our most modern thought of the Creator, So it's relevant. Later.